How do you make money with Canva in 2025, even if you are a total beginner? In this video, I'll give you all the real, profitable, no fluff ways people are turning Canva into consistent income right now. Whether you want to create passive income or get paid for your creative skills, Canva makes it possible, and I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. And if we haven't met yet, hello, my name is Karen, and I started my digital product business in 2020 as a burnt out graphic designer who wanted more freedom, more flexibility, and feel less stress about money. Now I help everyday beginners just like you learn how to create and sell digital products online using simple tools like Canva. No fancy tech, no big audience, just strategy and execution. Let's get into all the ways you can turn your creativity into cash. Let's start with my favorite one, which is selling digital products you make in Canva. We're talking about digital downloads like ebooks, planners, journals, and templates that your customer can access and start using instantly after they purchase. Now, the magic here is that you create this one time and you can sell that product over and over and over and over again. Some creators are making 5K, 10K, even 20K per month with a single ebook because it solves a problem. When I created and launched my first ebook, I made $6,000 my first month. If you got knowledge or a system that helps people do something faster, easier, or better, you can turn it into a digital product in Canva and start selling it on Standstore or Beacons or Shopify. There are so many places where you can sell your digital products. Just know that it doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be helpful. You can tweak and upgrade as you go. And if you're feeling stuck and want product ideas that actually sell, grab my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide. The link is in the description below. Now, second way to make money with Canva is print on demand. So print on demand is where you create a design once for a shirt, a mug, a tote bag, whatever, and a company like Printify takes care of the rest. They handle the printing, the packing, the shipping. So all you have to do is focus on creating the designs in Canva. That's it. No inventory, no stress. And you can connect your Printify to your Etsy shop, upload your designs, and when someone buys from your Etsy shop, Printify takes care of the rest. You keep your profit and you never have to touch inventory. I know creators consistently making 3K to 10K per month from fun, simple designs. And now with Canva's AI tools, it's even easier to create trending, in-demand designs that actually sell. This is really beginner friendly, low risk, and no, you don't need to be a professional designer. Canva makes it super simple. Now, if you want me to review or give feedback on your Canva product idea, drop it in the comments below. Now let's get into the third way to make money with Canva is Amazon KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. If you love planners, notebooks, or journals, you need to know about this. Amazon lets you upload low content books like journals or planners, and when someone buys, Amazon prints and ships it out for you. You can design the entire thing in Canva, the cover, the interior pages, then upload it to KDP for free. People are making thousands every month with journals for moms, gratitude prompts, ADHD planners, and more. This is the perfect hybrid between digital and physical without you ever touching a product. Now, if you're not sure what niche you should create for, try my Naomi niche bot. She'll give you a profitable niche plus product combo ideas in 60 seconds. The link is in the description below. So now that we have covered the product side, let's go ahead and shift into services that you can offer with Canva. The first one being the one that every small business desperately needs, and that is branding. With Canva, you can create custom logos, brand kits, and social media templates for clients. Think branding and templates for coaches, realtors, photographer, the list is endless. You can start small, $100 for a mini brand kit, and quickly scale to 500 plus packages when you offer logo, colors, fonts, Instagram templates, and more. And you don't need Adobe, you don't need to call yourself a designer, you just need Canva and a little confidence. Now let's talk about one of the easiest Canva services you can offer right now. and that is YouTube thumbnails. Because YouTubers know their thumbnail is what gets the clicks. And most of them hate designing. That is where you come in. You can use Canva to create bold, clickable thumbnails and charge $15 to $50 each. Some freelancers make $1,000 to $3,000 per month just doing thumbnails for a few regular clients. So you can start by offering thumbnail bundles on Fiverr or Upwork, or reach out directly to small creators who post consistently but have poor design. This is a service that you can start with this week. No design degree needed, just Canva and knowing what grabs attention on YouTube. Okay, last Canva service I have to mention is sales page designs for Stand Store and Beacons. Digital product sellers want clean, scroll-stopping pages that actually convert, but most of them either don't know how to design it or don't have the time. That's where you come in. With Canva, you can create branded banner images, call to action sections, product mockups, and cohesive layouts that elevate someone's entire sales experience. These types of projects go from $100 to $500 plus. And if you're good at visual storytelling and understand what makes people buy, this service is a goldmine. You're not just making things pretty, you're designing sales pages that make people want to click buy now. If you love mixing design with strategy, this is the Canva service to master in 2025. As you can see, Canva isn't just a design tool, it's a business builder. Whether you want passive income or active service clients, there are so many ways to make real money with Canva in 2025. And the only difference between you and the people doing it is that they started. So if you're ready to actually do this, like step by step with guidance and support, Canva to Cash is where I teach you how to create, market, and sell digital products the simple way. Because it's not just the course, it's the shortcut I wish I had when I started. You'll walk away with products, a sales system, and support from me inside my coaching calls. The link to Canva to Cash is in the description. Go check it out. I'd love to see you inside. And if this video helped, like and subscribe for more trainings like this, and tell me in the comments which Canva income stream you're starting with.